Hello guys, this is the 100th day of my English speaking, and now you can see this is the final day of my challenge because I have taken the challenge before 99 days because it's 100 day. This is why I am not going to say this is my last day of English speaking challenge, and you can see this is fluency I get within 100 days, but somehow I gained confidence and now I feel so confident because sometimes I start communicating with people and I feel so confident because when I started this challenge, at that point of time you can see my video, I was not able to structure any sentence without making mistakes. I did many mistakes in my all videos. I can't say I am kind of person who reduce. I am reducing mistakes day by day. I'm improving day by day, I can say. This would be the correct sentence for my I can say mentality. And I did many mistake in my previous videos, but there is one thing I did and I am doing is consistency. I didn't skip any day till the 100th day. I skipped 4 or 5 days before because there was marriage of my cousin. This is why I was not at my room. I went to my place and where my family lives, and I also went before the marriage. This is why I skipped, but somehow I can say I skipped, but yes, because there was no connectivity in my village. This is why I didn't upload any video, but yes, somehow I practiced because I didn't skip any day of listening practice. I always do. Now if I talk about the day, it's Friday today, and there is some a kind of program where I live, and the landlord organizing a program because there is the birthday of his daughter, and he has two daughters. So there is birthday of elder daughter of his of his elder daughter. Yes, I can say elder daughter. Yes. So this is he is organizing a program. You can see the sound. There is sound you can listen. But if you are not listening any sound, any background sound, you can understand my system is really good. He, it doesn't take so much noise, and now you can see this is my condition of room. This is the condition of my room. You can see. And now I am making this video. If I talk about the time is about to 3 p.m. right now, and I just took bath and I just get ready for the program. And now I am going to participate in the program. He was asking me to come. This is why I just you can see the get up. I just get up. You can see, and now in this getup I am going to attend the program. Not a kind of big program, but yes, it's the family program, I can say. So I am starting this video so that I can continue this my journey, and this is the 100th day of my English speaking challenge. I have completed this challenge successfully. It does not mean I am going to stop this consistency. No, I would continue until I would be fluent. And you can see on this channel, because if you don't subscribe right now, please hit the subscribe button so that you can get to know. I am not saying watch my video or something. I am just saying subscribe this channel so that in future you will, if there is video, YouTube just suggest to you, YouTube pops up on your screen my video in future. so that you can get to know, yes, this is that person who was continue this journey at that point of time, and he was not fluent at that time, but he was practicing. Okay, this is why I am saying hit the subscribe button, so that you can get to know and you can learn from me. I am not saying you can learn from me the grammar. You can learn from me many kind of things, like you can learn from me the consistency. You can learn from me, even I don't edit each and every, I didn't edit any video of mine, and I upload daily, and I didn't edit any video till now, and I am not going to edit any video, upcoming videos. You know what, why I don't edit? Because of I also want to know at what point of time I get stuck, and what point of time what I was feeling. Okay, because most people and most beginners do this. This is the journey. This is not the kind of scenario which happens to me. It happens to all. Okay, this is why I don't feel like I am doing something wrong. I am doing something good and great in my mind, because this is the kind of mentality. Because we will definitely going to face this awkwardness when you get pause, and when you get when you think in your mind what to say now, if you don't have any topic. Because I randomly make video, I don't have any topic, just click the camera and open the camera and click recording, and then start speaking anything. I don't care about any topic, and I don't even think before making this video on what topic I am going to say. But there is one thing in always in my mind, like I have to speak each and at that point of time what I think I speak, because my motto is to speak. Okay, not to think like on what topic should I speak, because I am not able to explain any story. This is why I prefer not to focus on topic, focus on speaking. And if I feel in future like I can express each and every scenario in my word, then I will definitely going to express and would think about the topic, speak on topic. And now you can see my fluency frequency as well, because I'm so frequent person. I'm so frequently uploading video day by day. I don't care about what people think about me, because most of the people didn't start, don't start, didn't start would be the wrong sentence. And don't start, most of the people don't start because they think what people going to think about them. When you are thinking, you are thinking for them, let them think about you. Why are you waiting for? They will not going to they will not going to judge you. They will always judge, they will always judge you, even you are doing good, even you are doing wrong, they will definitely going to talk about you. So if you are just waiting to let them shut, you are doing you are on the wrong mindset. You have wrong mindset. If you have the right mindset, you have to start. Even they, I allow, let them people talk about me, because I also talk about me, I am also talking about me. So this is all about till now. And definitely if I would have time, I will definitely going to continue this video, because now I have taken the challenge of speaking around 10 to 15 minutes daily. But now I am just modify my challenge, and I will definitely continue this challenge because I have completed. But still, I would continue this challenge until I would, I would be fluent, because now I am not fluent. This is why. Okay, so what is the modification? Modification is I will speak and I will make video while I am, practicing with myself. I will capture myself until I will not going to, mention the time. Even I have time to, make video until, 20 minutes. I will going to, talk about 20 minutes. And if I have time to 10 minutes, I will speak for 10 minutes. If I would have time for 30 minutes to speaking practice, and I will definitely going to practice for 30 days. So there is no time limit would be in my videos, and this is the modification I will do. And I am not going to stop my journey, because if I am able to talk like this, if I improve this much English, because I am from Hindi background, you can see the background of mine, you can see my previous videos. I was not able to speak any sentence without doing mistakes, and but I allow myself to make mistakes so that I can improve my mistakes from my mistakes. So this is why I am doing this. So I hope you got my point, and if you didn't subscribe my channel, please, because if you subscribe me, I feel motivated sometimes, because I think like I am on the right way, I am on the good path. This is why I feel like this. So if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe. And I will, now I am just going to participate this his program. So bye, see you later.